it's Donna Briggs, and today is Finance Friday. Hope you had a spectacular week and you made every day a great day. I just want to say I'm really sorry for anyone who lost money in the stock market and cryptocurrency this week. It was a doozy. Anyway, let's get into the terms. Bull market, bear market, long-term capital gains tax, short-term capital gains tax. Why does anyone care? What does this mean to you? Why did the market pretty much plummet this week? Why did it happen? So what happened was there were rumblings around of the beloved president, Mr. Biden, going to make an announcement of taxing the wealthy, business owners, people who employ people like me who are considered wealthy under Biden's tax laws or whatever. There were rumblings saying he was going to make an announcement that he was going to double the capital gains tax. So when that was said, when that was the rumblings around, the underlings were talking about it, people start pulling their money out of the stock market. When you start to have a large sums of people pulling the money out of the stock market, it's going to plummet. That's what happened. And that's why they pulled it out. Long-term capital gains tax. So when that was said, when that was the rumblings around, the underlings were talking about it, people start pulling their money out of the stock market. When you start to have a large sums of people pulling the money out of the stock market, it's going to plummet. That's what happened. And that's why they pulled it out. Long-term capital gains tax. Okay, what is long-term capital gains tax? Let's get into that. That is an investment that you have, that you pay taxes on outside of your current employment. Like, say you have a job. You take some of the money from your job that you have and you invest it in the stock market, cryptocurrency, right? Are you keeping up? And you wait over a year to cash it out. That's long-term capital gains tax, which is lower than short-term capital gains tax. What is short-term capital gains tax? Short-term capital gains tax is when you pull it out in less than a year. Less than a year. But a lot of people are going to have these huge short-term capital gain tax bills. Why? Because they pulled it out in less than a year. But why would they do that, Donna, if they know they're going to have to pay more taxes? Well, 3 or 4 months ago, cryptocurrency was flying high. Just last week it was flying high. So people pulled money out for cars, houses, luxuries, or whatever they were doing. And they didn't have it for more than a year. So that's short-term capital gains tax. My thing is, a lot of people who are not wealthy have started to invest in cryptocurrency and in the stock market. So our beloved president says, let's tax the wealthy on their investments. But I guess he didn't think that everyone that's wealthy, not all people who are wealthy invest. And some people who have regular jobs are now investing. So now you're going to get the regular guy who works a regular job. He's going to be heavily taxed. Short-term capital gains tax because he pulled the money out because he had extra money. And then he got the small investors. So they made $100. They're happy. Wow, I made $100. And they're going to pull it out because it's extra money for them. And then they end up with $20 once they pay this short-term capital gains tax. That's the problem with his whole strategy, because everyone that invests in the stock market or cryptocurrency is not wealthy. I under Biden's tax laws, I'm considered the wealthy. I hire people. There's a set of certain net worth that's considered wealthy. I'm considered wealthy under Biden's tax laws. So I get taxed 47 to 50% now because of his tax laws. So the Senate is saying, I don't think we're going to do this. We're not going to do it because it hurts everyone. When people like me, under Biden's tax laws, who are considered wealthy, can't spend money, can't shop, can't do things, can't do this, can't do that, can't hire. We can still hire, but we won't hire as many people. We won't pay them as much money. Why? Because now, whatever I make or whatever I bring in is taxed 50%. Or whatever assets that come in is taxed 50% or 47%. So it all trickles down to everyone. So when they say, oh, tax the wealthy, the people who are not wealthy, it trickles down to you. Whoever you are out there, it trickles down to everybody. Oh, yes, they have tax loopholes, and you're going to do this, you're going to do that. And a lot of people will move their money to a whole nother country because no one wants to pay 50% capital gains tax. That's ridiculous. No one's going to pay that. No one wants to pay that. It's insane. But anyway, back to the terms. Bear market. We're in a bear market. When the market drops down to zero or drops down to whatever it is, it wasn't as great as it was last week. Cryptocurrency took a nosedive. Stocks took a nosedive. Like I said, people came to me. They want me to invest their money. Luckily, I moved the money out. So whoever I helped invest, you didn't lose anything because I'm smart enough to realize that once that announcement was made, that all the stocks and all the money will be pretty much lost. So, there you go. Anyway, so you have short-term capital gains tax. We talked about that. 6 months and under, pulling it out. A year and under, pulling it out. The longer it's in there, the better. That's long-term capital gains tax. Bear market, which is now, all the stocks are like low and cryptocurrency is low and people lost a lot of money. Bull market, which was 2 weeks ago, everybody's making money, they're pulling money out. But I had to get into long-term capital gains tax. If you pull the money out prior to a year, you're going to have to pay the short-term capital gains tax. Now, anyone who's investing, who has money, who is trying to, do more than what they normally would do, invest. Go to the next level. Like I said, live in abundance. Hope that the Senate does not pass the bill for doubling the capital gains tax. Because it's in the Senate right now, in the House. So we'll see. Like I said, it hurts everybody when the wealthy are double taxed. It hurts everybody because we're the ones who are doing the hiring. We're the ones who are running finances, taking care of things, making things move, changing the economy. So you don't want to step on us, Anyway, I love you guys. Make every day a great day. And remember, love everyone. I know you don't want to do that. Remember, if someone does something to you, it's not personal. It's probably something they're going through. And make every day a great day, regardless of your situation. Those are 3 things. I hope you have a spectacular weekend. Go to my website, makeeverydayagreatday.com for our products and services. And I hope you learned something this Finance Friday. Everyone's affected when the stock market drops, when cryptocurrency drops, not just the wealthy people. I love you guys. Hugs and loves. And I'll see you on Monday, Motivational Monday. And I might see you again this weekend. I'm not sure. I don't know. But you never know. Love you guys. Bye.